Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got two short positions on Solana that I'm going to break down for you step by step. SOL is approaching a key level, and based on recent price action, I'm seeing some solid short opportunities. I'll walk you through why I'm entering, where my stop loss and targets are, and how I'm managing risk. If you're into smart entries, price action, and sniper setups, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the charts, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell so you never miss a real-time setup. Let's grow this trading community together and keep leveling up. All right, let's jump into Solana and see why I'm going short. To start the price analysis of Solana, we first look at the major movements in the higher time frames. Initially, at this point, the price formed an FTR. After this FTR, a large rally occurred. Then, another FTR formed, and the price made higher highs. During the correction, similar to the rally, FTR were formed until it reached a lower low. After the lower low, the price started another rally and formed an FTR that got confirmed. The price returned inside the FTR. At this point, the range from top to bottom is the limit of this FTR. The price reversed and registered its all-time high. Now, we have observed the schematic of Solana's movements. To take a closer look, we move to the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, after registering the all-time high, the price started correcting and formed a false top reversal at this point. As you can see, the price has come down. In this point, potential positions for the rally that started here can be considered. One of the sell points we can consider is this low, which caused the formation of ATH. In a lower time frame, breaking this support area or this FTR could provide us with a crucial level. As you can see, price came back to this FTR, and after hunting liquidity, it reacted to this FTR. But on the next move, the price reacted again at this level and was sent lower. Now, another sell point we can consider is in the 4-hour time frame. This level is inside the same FTR. This FTR is important because when the price formed it, it hunted liquidity and had a rally afterward. When the price returned to this point, no reaction was seen. Now, at this point, the price returned to this FTR and showed a reaction. This FTR has been confirmed within the range. One of the lower risk sell positions could be at this level around 160.5 with a stop loss at 167. The target for this sell position could be around 156.5 in the first target. This position can continue in this way. If the stop loss is triggered and the price breaks this level, a new sell position could be formed. We move to the daily time frame again to observe the price structure. At this point, an FTR is visible. When the price was falling, it formed a low that couldn't rise, and this low was hunted. With this FTR, we see that the price hunted it, and the FTR didn't work for us. Upon the price returning and the upper level of this FTR, we drew a line which has shown some reactions. This line has special importance. Now, we move to a lower time frame, for example, the 2-hour time frame. In this time frame, we see the upper level of the FTR that, when the price broke it, caused a drop. At this point, sell positions can be considered. To better position ourselves, we can enter the trade and reduce the position size. Finally, we considered 2 sell positions for Solana, one at the 160.5 level and the other in case the stop loss is triggered at the 167 level. For those who have previously bought, they can hold their buy positions until this level and sell at these points. The optimistic target for those who want to earn more profit from the market might reach a level that we have predicted in the lower time frame. The first target has a much lower risk and is more likely to be reached. This version keeps the original concepts intact and uses the term FTR as requested. So at this point, we've identified 2 key zones for potential short positions on Solana. The first is just before price fully touches the top of the FTR, and the second comes into play if that first zone gets invalidated and price pushes higher. If you've already entered a buy position earlier, these two areas could be ideal spots for securing profits, or even switching to a sell position with proper risk management. At the end of the day, remember, this is just one scenario. Make sure your trades align with your personal strategy and risk tolerance. If you found this analysis helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments so I can bring you more detailed and high-quality content. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Stay safe out there and trade smart.